turn off the Lyft app right now. Priority right now is Uber to get that $10 out of there. But honestly, get the mud off my car. So I'm trying to hit this quick crack. It's kind of a weird location. Let's see if this can make it into this quick crack parking lot. This is a newer quick quack, so it's not going to have anything correct, so I'm going to have to take over up here. Maybe I can just use the turn signals and get it to cooperate. We want to turn left. Okay, it's going to turn left. Maybe it can get it this time. The previous versions couldn't. Sam's Club. I need to come up here and make another left. Okay, I think you have it now. And the thing for the car wash just disappeared, so I can't hit the screen because we haven't come to a stop yet. It hasn't given me a chance to come to a stop to enable it, and we don't want to go there. We need to go around the back here. So cancel that turn signal. Earlier versions was trying to come in here. Not sure what this truck is doing. And I'm on match. Okay, I've matched that trip, so we will get to go to that trip after the quick quack. Good. So we're going through here. Let me get to the quick quack on the way here. Of course, time to pull up. I don't want to get too close to that car in front of me here. So we're in free roll. Okay. So 7 minutes away. I want to try to eat a little bit more while we're going to this car wash here. Okay, it's doing what I was wanting to do. I was going to hit the turn signal and try and make it go this way to loop around, but it's already doing what I want it to do. We're going to start for eating. We kind of do it sometimes. Come on. Just waiting for an opening. It's been my only meal today. I'm not taking a detour. I'm trying to turn around here. Next meal will probably be in 24 hours. I have my Dutch Brothers coffee. This will last me until tomorrow. And then my water. Meal and Dutch Brother coffee. $16. You need to be in that lane. You need to be in that lane. Get over there. Just gonna jump on and off the interstate real quick. Exit is moved. Previous versions are having hard times with that. As you see, it thinks we're still at 4/10 of a mile away, but it's right there. Come on. This one almost missed it. They moved this exit. Should be right in here. Don't know why it's always going to the right. Sorry. Trying to follow it. Why it goes all the way right then back to the left, I don't know. Got a train coming, looks like. Yep, there goes the train. So I'm glad I'm not going to the airport. There comes the train. And it looks like it's empty. Keep going. We don't stop here. Why is it stopping? I don't know. Looks like they're going to go get some more windmill blades. That light out there, we don't stop. We just go straight through that. And for some reason, it wants to stop there. So I did have to touch the accelerator on that. Just navigation stuff. When I picked up an earlier customer, it wasn't until we were right next to a gas station. Oh, can we stop here real quick? It's like, so I can't send any navigation to the car. I have to completely disengage and pull into that gas station, which is the very last second thing. There's no fast way to get the navigation or get the car to do something.